Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adwa Afika binti Muhammad Azmi. My matric number is 1151897. And this is my friend.
My name is Hafizah Amar binti Muhammad Fazali. My matric number is 1151894.
Today, this video is for the purpose of answering our land law 2 tutorial question 1. And I will proceed with question 1A. The question is, what is mean by security transactions? Security transactions are the dealing in respect of an alienated land, which the registered proprietor of an alienated land will be able to confer interest in the land in favour of the lender to secure and or to guarantee the repayment of the loan given to the landowner as a borrower. However, in the event of the borrower default, the lender will be entitled to commence foreclosure proceeding to obtain an order for sale or to recover the loan granted. And there are a few types of security transactions, which is the first one, charge, statutory lien, jual janji, and also deed of assignment. And then we will proceed with question 1B. Okay.
I will proceed with the answer. I'll start with the issue. The issue that can be arised in the present case is that whether the registration of the charge need to be fulfilled first before the requirements of security transaction to be completed. So, based on this issue, we try to fit it with the security transaction on charge. So we use section 243 of the National Land Code, where it said that the charge recognized under the torrent system must be duly registered in accordance with the requirements of the provisions of the National Land Code. So before the charge is being registered, the chargee shall have no rights to enforce the charge. Among the requirements that needed for the charge to be created is first, you have to fill in forms on Form 16A and also Form 16B from National Land Code. And then after you have filled the form, you need to stamp the form according to the Stamp Act 1949. And after that, you have to send the form to any relevant land office for the charge to be created and also be registered. So we're going to proceed to the case that can be used in accordingly with the section 243 of the NLC. So the case that we use is Bank Bumi Putra Malaysia Berhad and Mahmud bin Haji Mohammadin, where in this case, the intervener had purchased the land for 3 years before the charge was registered. The chargee applied, the chargee here is the Bank Bumi Putra Malaysia Berhad, applied for an order for sale, but the intervener objected as her interest should be protected. But the court dismissed the objection by the intervener and held that the chargee having his interest registered is upheld to have indivisible title in accordance to section 340 of the National Land Code. And another case that we used is Oriental Bank and Chop Sang Restaurant Batuwut Sedang Berhad. In this case, it discussed more on unregistered charge, on how the court determine the position on unregistered charge. In this case, the borrower deposited his IDT or issued document of title to the lending bank together with a discharge of the existing charge and an instrument of charge duly executed in the bank's favour. The charge unfortunately was not registered. And when the borrower defaulted, the bank applied for an order for sale. However, the court held that equitable chargee does not have the same right as of those of a registered chargee, where he cannot apply for an order for sale in the event of default by charger. This is because the charge is not yet being registered. That's why the bank cannot apply an order for sale because of the default by charger. So we applied to the present case. The registered proprietor shall have indivisible title to the land in favour of the registered proprietor. This is based on section 340 of the NLC. We use the case Bank Bumi Putra Malaysia Berhad, where the court upheld the indivisibility of title as long as the interest is being registered. Nevertheless, the position will be different if the charge is not being registered. So here, Mr. Vinod shall have consent in part where to release the loan upon depositing IDT instead of the registration is completed. Since in the case of Oriental Bank, the court dismissed the application by the bank for an order for sale because of the default by the charger. Here, equitable chargee shall not have the same rights as of the registered chargee. So to conclude, the registration of the charge is very crucial and it is required based on section 243 of the NLC to enforce any proceeding online.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.